Reels, reels and reels. Every creator on Instagram is saying that create reels because reels are getting a lot of reach, a lot of views. It means you will end up with a lot of followers. But nobody is talking about how you are going to get a lot of views, what type of reels you have to create so that you can gain more reach. If you have to create reel, it really don't mean that you just have to create a blank video and you have to share it on Instagram so that you can call it a reel and you can get a lot of views and followers. Do you think you can get a lot of views on a blank reel? Obviously not. So in this video, I'm going to share about 6 elements which are really important in your reel so that you can viral your reels, you can increase the reach of your reel. So make sure that you watch this video till end. Hi, I am Digital Sneha, your Instagram coach. So let's start with the 6 elements of reels. Number 1 element is use mind-blowing hooks. Hooks are the 3 seconds, 5 seconds of the video. Like when I see your video, the first 3 seconds and 5 seconds should be so much interesting that I watch your video till the end. Now what can be different type of hook? Number 1, a statement hook. You can give a statement that hook your audience and they become curious to watch your rest of the video. Next hook can be a question hook. You can ask a question that your audience is facing problem so that they can become curious and they know that yes, I want to know that how to solve this problem. Third is you can give a static hook. You can share some fact, some figures so that people can get curious that is it true, and they stay to watch your video till end. And number 4th is you tell a story because everyone loves to listen story. So these are 4 types of hook you can use in your reel so that you can viral your reel. These are the hooks which you have to use in first 3 to 5 seconds of your video so that people can watch your video till the end. Second element is create transitional reels. So nowadays every reel have transition. I know it's difficult if you are a beginner. Even it's difficult for me because when I started, I found it very difficult to create transition video because I was never doing it correct, right? And in beginning, it is a learning phase. So you can just test and try and practice more, and after practicing a lot, you will get some idea that how you have to create transition video. So what are some simple transition which you can use in your reel video? Number 1 is clap transition. Like you have to just clap, you have to stop the video, you can change the location or you can change your dress, and then again you can start like this. You can do same like swap. You just have to do like this and change the location and finish that video. Another can be like arm cross. Like you just go like this, then you stop the video and you change the location and you end up the video like this. Another can be like head transition. Like you come into the camera, cover the camera with your head or with your hair, and then change the location, change your clothes, and then you can show that yeah, this is the transition. Transition is basically like when you are showing some change which is unexpected and very instant, right? Third is add music in your reels. So let's suppose if you are talking in the reel, you are creating reel like this, like I'm creating the video right now, just I'm talking to you. So what you can do is you can add some background in the you can add some background music in the video so that it becomes rhythmic, it becomes some pleasant to the viewers who are listening that, right? And you can go and search for some trendy music and you can add that. And if you are talking and then if you are adding any music, so try to add some instrumental videos. Do not go with any lyrical video because then it will be difficult for viewers to listen to you or to listen to the audio. So add an instrumental audio if you are talking in the reel, and if you are doing mimic or something else, then try to use some trendy music. Fourth element, trends. As we have talked about trends, so we have to keep up with the latest trend. Every time a new trend comes, so you can join that trend and you can create the video in that, because when something is going viral, it is a chance that your reel can also go viral if you participate in that trend. Now, how to know that which trend is going viral? Take your 5 minutes, scroll reels. Now in this 5 minutes, you will see that there will be 1 or 2 audio which is coming again and again, That is the audio which is trending. Try to create your reel in that. Fifth element is do reel collab. So it may be a difficult one, because when you are collaborating in reels, you have to ask another person that if we can create a reel together. So approach at least 5 to 10 people, and then only you are going to get any 1 or 2 replies. So DM some people of your niche and you can create a collab reel. And if you cannot create a collab reel, then you can go for a remix reel. Any creator. And now remix is very easy than collab, because collab you have to convince the people to create the reel with you, and in remix you can just go to any of the niche leader and you can create a remix of the well performed reel of that creator. Now sixth and the final one, and this is very important, is be to the point, be authentic. Alright, if you are coming on the reel to talk about a certain topic, so be only talk about that topic. Do not talk about bullshit. Do not talk about anything else. Do not confuse your audience, or always be to the point. That is the 6 elements which you have to use in your reel, so that you can create a mind-blowing reel and you can get a mind-blowing reach and the quality followers on Instagram. If you like this video, do comment down and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.